Now we are examining the Mockup Studio page. Again, we can use the clustering feature in the Mockup Studio. We can categorize a mockup we want by clicking on the cluster file, dragging, and dropping it. We can find it later and work with categories to speed up our work. The general features of the Mockup Studio page are: we can choose the areas where the designers will come on any mockup. We can delete the design on the mockup. We can add any badge on the mockup. We can add the badge we want, such as next day, shipping, color options, unlimited revision. We can change the background of any mockup. In this page, you can load the mockups you already have, or you can take a mockup with a design on it and use it. For example, when we save this design, we want to delete the design on this mockup. Let's see what kind of mockup will appear. As you can see, the design on our mockup has been deleted. And apart from that, our original mockup looks like this. As you can see, what else has been deleted? The badges that belong to that mockup have also been deleted. Therefore, only the mockup has been given to us. Now we choose the area where the design will come on this mockup. This is the first thing we will do. We can choose more than one area and change these area labels. We can do it with the full-size front option we want to do right now. So I can set my place like this because I want to put full pressure on the front. I can shrink it. I can hold it and drag it. Then I save it. Therefore, the need config text here is lost and full front instead. So our choice came. As you can see, I'm going to use full front on this mockup. On top of that, full front is like pocket, left here. Therefore, you can choose more than one area on the mockup you want, and you can bring designs there. Another feature is the badge adding feature. Let's give an example with a badge adding feature. Let's give an example. Let's add a badge called next day shipping. When we press the add button, I automatically expect half of it to add a badge on the mockup and half of it to add a badge outside. When we look again, as you can see, our next day shipping badge came here nicely. I'm saving this. Another feature I want is, for example, background change. Since this is a female theme, let's assume that I want to use this mockup for mothers. Let's assume that I want to use this mockup for mothers. When I want to change my background as a Mother's Day celebration, it will only change the background as a Mother's Day celebration without any change in the mockup, and we will have a completely new mockup. Let's look again. As you can see, Mother said, "Happy birthday." Happy Mother's Day. There's a balloon over there. Happy Mother's Day. Here's Mother's Day. So we've created a completely original, beautiful mockup. With this, we can download it if we want, or delete it. In the next page, we will show you how to use the designs we have produced on these mocha